Good morning, traders. Every single morning we discuss with my incredible students the importance of the trading range. This is your critical analysis each and every morning prior to placing a trade. This is your trading range this morning. It's in front of you right now. This is your key support. This is your key resistance levels. Yesterday it was here. Day before was ultimate reversal. Ultimate institutional entry point. Here's the software in front of you right now. This is a trade we discussed with students prior to the market open. Intelligent trader who's taken this trade, done with his/her workday, understanding extremely well. This is a major problem. Bold red line in front of you. So if you take in this trade, you are out right now. Completely. Intelligent trader understands the importance of bold red line. Intelligent trader understands this is brick wall. This is a place you monitor for short. All of this played out before market open. All of this we discussed with students. That's it. Trading day is done. This is your trading range. This is strategic, intelligent trading by Alpha Fibonacci Trader, who prepares extremely well and understands the importance and simplicity of the green versus red line. This is what the scanner looks like with alerts. That's it. Trading range this morning is extremely narrow. So trader who took this trade, done working this morning. That's it. Currently monitoring for powerful pullback. And that's strategic intelligent trading. In overnight session, another long price collapses from reversal zone. You cannot speculate and take random number of points. You need to understand the power of the markets. You need to understand the power of volatility and the power of pure price. Short, ultimate precision. Precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. If you choose to buy bold red line, nothing good is possible. Trader who took this trade is completely out. This is your trading range between this bold and green line. Intelligent trader understands that this is day trading range, that this morning we are at drastically higher level. This was day trader's dream institutional entry point. This still remains institutional entry point, however it's drastically higher. Single glimpse is all you need. When you trade Alpha Fibonacci System, you trade with institutions. You never, ever, ever trade against them. It's institutional support. It's not the place to short. It's a historical week that confirmed once again institutions buying everything. Profit taken from reversal zone is a stunning reminder of the power of the system that identified this in advance. It's exact same thing on any and every instrument. So if I take you back to this chart, sell-off started first week in September. So let's click on the data series and go back all the way to May, in case you missed the events in this trading room. This is what I will be teaching in the live class after the close of the trading room. Here is the power. Here what system looked like before it reached reversal zone. all identified in advance, never after the fact. But if I take you back all the way before this spectacular reversal, let's go all the way to 2020, shall we? Because intelligent trader sees instantly value, instantly the power. Because with Alpha Fibonacci system, you knew before this rally skyrocketed where institutions would step in from. February 2020, February 3rd, 18 months ago. Shock or not. All of this playing out in this trading room. All of this we discuss in live class. And when the buyers step in with vengeance, no one should be surprised. Country in lockdown. There is no good news. News is a disaster. World shutting down, everyone in panic. But what was playing out with Alpha Fibonacci system, what was playing out in this trading room, is a reason system traded globally on all instruments. As intelligent trader, you are buying with institutions at the bottom. You are not shorting the markets. All the details in live class after the close of the trading room. And price kept heading higher and higher and higher and higher. Here is September 2020, a year ago. No surprise, all precise. So would you sleep better at night if you knew where institutions taking positions? Would your trading be much better if you were buying with institutions and knew days, weeks, months and years ahead where price is heading to? Or have you been shorting the markets on the bearish news? Ask yourself that question. No indicator on the planet would tell you, show you this. Alpha Fibonacci system does. January 2021. Here we are, heading higher. Trading becoming more challenging. Historical high created. No shorts on this chart. None. Only longs. Only stunning, bullish, flawless rally is on. The most powerful lesson during this crisis. Trade the price with Alpha Fibonacci system, and when you do, the skies are the limit. When price tested this level in April 2021, this was crucial moment. This was key. Crawl continued higher. And where price sold off from is no surprise. It's institutional reversal zone. But if price will continue respecting this key support level, it's only bearish correction. There is no sell-off. There is no sell-off. This is your institutional trading range, identified many months ahead. That's it. No speculation here. None are present. But if you decide to trade Bitcoin, it's exact same thing on every instrument. Never forget that part. If you know many months ahead where Bitcoin would crash from, and if you know where Bitcoin would stage powerful bullish rally, every single instrument, every single time frame remains identical. So is Tesla. Tesla heading to reversal zone. This chart present in the trading room for years. So is Apple. Key support on Apple. How Apple sold off from reversal zone prior is no surprise. Profit taking is on, but if Apple respecting this key support and you invested in Apple, you're sleeping well at night. Here's Euro. I have not touched this chart in years. Euro skyrocketed from ultimate bottom in April 2020. This is key support on Euro. This is your trading range. Euro keeps selling off from 122. So if you decide to trade Apple or Euro Bitcoin or Tesla, anything you choose, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. It is all precise. So how Amazon keeps selling off despite excellent earnings is no surprise. All identified months and years in advance. On day trading chart, minutes in advance. That's it. You decide. Do you want to day or position trade? Choice is yours. Key moment, red zone is present. Pullback in a play. Intelligent trader understands. Without powerful pullback, market will become major pain. Buying at the red zone for intelligent trader never ever an option. It's a brick wall, it's gambling, it's not trading. That's it. That's simplicity. That's the power of the system, traded globally. You decide what instrument you want to trade. Choice is yours. So here we go, traders. A lot of graduates keep me posted on their performance. A lot of graduates understand the best places to trade, the worst places to trade, when to trade, when not to trade. Sometimes intelligent trader needs to be on the sidelines for weeks when institutional structure is junk. Intelligent trader understands this and avoids the torture completely. So what do you see on this chart? You see clear vertical performance. The trader started this month with a little over 10,000. A little over 10,000 account. That's it. 1 month. Riding institutional power with the highest quality trading. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality. So when you stop thinking as majority does, you become successful. 95% that thinks more trades, more money, never makes it in trading. In front of you, ultimate quality. In front of you, consistent, solid, intelligent trading. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. This is performance on S&P Mini Future by Brad. So please listen to his podcasts, as Brad thinks trading is the easiest thing on the planet. After struggling for 20 plus years, until Brad came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. So if you want to trade like Brad does, please join us in the trading room where you can see the power of the system. Exact same system you saw this morning is exactly what Brad trade. You can trade anything you choose on any platforms. Here's Brad's podcast. You can listen to Emmanuel's incredible, beautiful journey and story, and how Emmanuel brought his beautiful wife, Jennifer, to the course. Jennifer trades Nasdaq and S&P with 2 little babies at home. Identical sniper's mentality, identical quality trading. So please listen to podcasts and decide Do you want to trade cryptocurrency as Ken does? Or how Richard quadrupled his retirement account? Or how David trading it all? And how Carlton trading for a hedge fund? All of these traders struggled for many, many years prior. This year, we are in annual bootcamp, concentrating on much more than just trading. Annual Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, November 1 through 12, value of up to $3,000 included with each and every package. Every package includes 3 months group course, 4 months private mentoring, video library modules, trading room. You can view hundreds of videos 24/7. And if you would like to review the detail about bootcamp, we have only 9 spaces left. The website will be updated. Please review, because in addition to package, this is at no extra cost to new students only in the months of September, October, November. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular morning. And remember to always review. Students' emails I receive constantly. If these traders can do it, if traders on the podcast can do it, I look forward doing podcast with you. So please listen to traders' journeys and stories and understand success in trading will come from quality, never ever quantity of trades. And when you're ready to do this, I look forward working with you. Please do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular week, a spectacular morning. We're off to the live class in 15 minutes.